Wait, that's it? You're joking. He just dies like that? After all that buildup? This is the worst movie I have ever seen. You liked that? Wait, why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? You're the one that said it wasn't as bad as everyone made it out to be. Oh, you fucker. You just wasted 2 hours of my life. You know that? What do you mean I should have known? Well, you said you liked it, and I trust your judgment. Clearly that was an error. Oh, no. No. You don't get to make this up with kisses. I don't want one. Oh, don't make that pouty face. You did this to yourself. What are you doing? Just cuddling? I'm sure. You know, you look awfully suspicious to be just cuddling. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Yeah? Yeah, you just want to lay your head on me, huh? I bet. Oh, I know what you're doing. You're trying to make me fold. That's what you're doing. You think you're real slick, don't you? It is working, but not for the reasons you want it to be. You're not sneaky. You're just cute. Come here. Thanks for letting me spend the night. I'm having a lot of fun with you. God, what time is it? Oh my God, you're kidding. It's 2:45 a.m. How did it get so late? Yeah, I mean, we watched a couple of movies, but I didn't realize we watched that many. We should probably get to bed. Do you have to be up early? Oh, that's good. No, me neither. So, at least we can sleep in the morning. Brunch sounds like an excellent idea. What's the place called? Have you been before? Yeah, I'm down. If you like it, then I'm sure it's good. No, I don't need to see the menu. It's brunch. I imagine the typical brunch menu items will be available. Thank you for asking, though. That was sweet of you to think of it. Yeah. Let's get to bed. It's smart of you, by the way, to suggest we brush our teeth and change and all that shit before the movie. 'Cause I don't think I'd have the energy now. No. I just want to curl up. I feel like I could fall asleep in 5 seconds. Well, we'll see, won't we? Jeez, it's quite a storm out there. Yeah, I mean, it makes for nice ambiance, I suppose. Maybe it'll help me fall asleep faster. Well, it's always kind of weird, you know, falling asleep somewhere new for the first time. No, thank you. Melatonin doesn't really work for me. I appreciate the offer, though. I'm sure it'll be fine. Maybe it's a good thing we stayed up so late. Hmm? Oh, yeah. Yeah, we can cuddle. Did you want to be the big spoon or the little spoon? I can do that. Come here. Better? Good. Yeah, it's good for me too. What do you mean? I'm tense? Oh, sorry. It's just... been a while since I've done this. A long while. No, I like it. I'm just, not used to it, I guess. Maybe I'll get used to it. If we do this again. Yeah. Yeah, I would like to. What about you? Do you fall asleep quickly? Not lately. What do you mean? Well, you don't have to tell me if you don't want to, but I'm here, and I'm listening, if you do. Nightmares? No, that's not stupid. What are they about? A girl dying. That sounds really scary, actually. Do you know the girl? Okay, well, at least it's not someone you know. That's a good thing. But still, I'm sorry you're having to deal with that. You can wake me up, you know, if you have a nightmare while I'm here. Well, of course you can. You're not bothering me. I want you to do it. I wouldn't have asked you to do it if I didn't want you to. And because I want to help. I'm good at fighting off nightmares, actually. Mm-hmm. I don't know. A lot of experience, I guess. There was a time in my life when I was having a lot of nightmares. I don't have nearly as many now, though. Yeah. But it did make me good at helping with them, so I suppose that's a bonus. If you have a nightmare, just wake me up, okay? Promise? Good. However, for the moment, at least, I'm afraid my consciousness will not be lasting too much longer. I had a really good time with you. I know it's not over yet. I just really appreciate you. And I wanted to tell you while I felt it, I guess. Yeah? You do? Oh, good. excited for brunch tomorrow. Can we get mimosas? We can. Yay. Oh, it does. It makes me very happy. You do? I like when you're happy too. Good night.